Hi everyone. I myself Venkatachalapati, an advocate, High Court of Karnataka. Yesterday and today, we have seen in the media and main medias and social medias, we come to know that there is a star hotels like 3-star and 5-star hotels are giving non-hygienic food. We are trusting and we are going to eat in star hotels because of highly hygienic food. As we have seen in the media, and the government of Karnataka Health Department taken an initiation and verified and checking with that. It is very inhuman, not acceptable. It is cheating to the people. So
ಕೋಲಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೂತನವಾಗಿ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಬಿರ್ಲಾ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಅವರ ಬ್ರಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಲಿನೆನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಟೈಲರ್ಗಳು ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲೇ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂದೇ ಭೇಟಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಳಾಸ ಭೈರೇಗೌಡ ನಗರ, ಬೆಮಲ್ ಲೇಔಟ್, ಕೋಲಾರ ಬಂಗಾರಪೇಟೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಕೋಲಾರ ಟೌನ್.
the government of India and Karnataka needs to take more necessary action across the India. It is only a sample in Bangalore. I hope if you search, the government can search FSSAI officials and the health department focused. More hotels come across with this type of non-hygienic food with paying huge money compared to small hotels. In small hotels, we can see the food, what kind of food they are giving, we can see it directly. But behind the walls, we are unable to see what they are preparing. So we come to know that we are getting cheated. The most of the uh, uh, issues in the star hotels is coming out of the media, and very thanks to the government of Karnataka and the media. Thank you.